If your iPad microphone isn't working, people may not be able to hear you during FaceTime calls, your voice recordings might be silent, or apps like Zoom, WhatsApp, or voice memos may not pick up any sound. The good news is that in most cases, this isn't caused by a broken microphone. It's usually a settings issue, an app permission problem, or a software glitch that you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I will show you the most effective solutions to get your iPad microphone working once again. Before changing any settings, inspect your iPad. Cases, screen protectors, dust or debris can block the microphone openings and reduce or completely stop audio recording. If necessary, gently clean the microphone with a soft, dry brush or a dry cotton swab. Avoid inserting sharp objects into the microphone holes. A simple restart often fixes temporary software glitches. Turn your iPad off completely, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. After restarting, test the microphone again. You should also test the microphone in Voice Memos. For this, open the Voice Memos app, record a short message, and play it back. If you can hear yourself clearly, the microphone is working correctly and the problem is likely limited to a specific app. If there is still no sound, continue with the next fixes. Next, you should check microphone permissions. Many apps require permission to access your microphone. On your iPad, go to Settings, tap on Privacy and Security, and then tap on Microphone. Make sure the switch is enabled for the app that's having problems such as FaceTime, Zoom, WhatsApp, Teams, Google Meet, voice recording apps. If permission is disabled, the app won't be able to hear your voice. If you're still facing problem, close and reopen the app. Sometimes only one app is affected. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause to open the app switcher. Swipe the affected app away to close it completely. Reopen it and test the microphone again. Your iPad may be using another microphone without you realizing. Open the Settings app and tap on Bluetooth. Here, disconnect any Bluetooth headphones, AirPods, wireless earbuds, and external microphones. Then test the built-in microphone again. You should also open the Settings app. Here, tap on Sounds. And on the next page, tap on Input. Here, make sure to select iPad microphone, or you can also select the automatic option. This is useful when you have multiple input devices connected to your iPad. You should also check app-specific audio settings because some apps allow you to choose which microphone is used. This includes Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. Open the app's audio settings and make sure the correct microphone is selected. If the problem only affects one app, update it. Open the App Store, tap on your profile picture, and install any available updates for the affected app. Developers frequently release fixes for audio-related bugs. Software bugs can also prevent the microphone from working correctly. To fix this, open the Settings app, tap on General, here tap on Software Update. Install any available iPadOS updates. Apple often fixes microphone and audio issues through system updates, so keeping your iPad up to date is a good idea. If you have enabled screen time restrictions, microphone access may be blocked. To fix this, open the Settings app, tap on Screen Time, and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Review any microphone related restrictions. Temporarily disable them if necessary and test again. If your microphone isn't working during screen recordings, then you should remove screen recording restrictions. For this, open Control Center, press and hold the screen recording button, and ensure the microphone is turned on before starting the recording. If nothing has worked so far, perform a force restart on your iPad. For iPads without a home button, press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. For iPads with a home button, press and hold both the home button and the top buttons together until the Apple logo shows up on the screen. Remember, this won't erase your data. If incorrect system settings are causing the issue, you can reset them. For this, open the Settings app, tap on General, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Next, tap on Reset, and from the menu, tap on Reset All Settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi settings, Bluetooth settings, privacy settings, and keyboard settings. Your apps, photos, and files remain untouched. You should also test your microphone with multiple apps. Try recording audio using voice memos, camera video recording, FaceTime, Zoom, and WhatsApp. If none of these apps can detect your voice, the issue may be hardware related. If you have tried every fix and your microphone still doesn't work, your iPad may have suffered physical damage from a drop, liquid exposure, or normal wear. In that case, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store or authorized service provider for a professional diagnosis. Hopefully, one of these solutions got your iPad microphone working again. If this guide helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to iOS Hacker for more iPad tips, fixes and Apple tutorials. Thanks for watching.